To make a gochujang paste, we need a rice flour. So here I'm adding 1 tablespoon of rice flour in a bowl. Add some water and mix it well up to this consistency. Now we have to steam cook the flour. For that, first place a stand in a pan with some water and then place a bowl. Now close with the lid and steam cook this for about 5 minutes in a medium flame. After 5 minutes, open the lid and turn off the flame. Now mix it well as a smooth paste. It took some time to make it as a smooth paste like this. Now add 1½ tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder. It gives a nice red color. Then ½ tablespoon sugar, some salt. Now mix it well. And now add 1 tablespoon soy sauce and mix it well with the mixture. And now the gochujang is ready, so we can prepare the fried chicken. For that I am having 250 grams of boneless chicken in a bowl and I am adding 1 tablespoon red chili powder, 1 tablespoon black pepper powder, some red chili flakes, then 1 tablespoon gochujang paste. You can store the remaining gochujang paste in the refrigerator. And add ginger garlic paste. Mix it all together. After that, add some soy sauce, some vinegar, and finally 1 tablespoon honey. After we added everything, now marinate this chicken for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, heat a pan and pour some oil. Once the oil gets heated, add the marinated chicken. Now saute this for 1 minute. After that, add quarter cup of water. Then close with the lid and cook for around 12 minutes in medium flame. After 12 minutes, I am opening the lid. Now the chicken gets cooked well. At this stage, we have to add the grated cheese over the chicken. And close with the lid until the cheese gets melted. After 3 minutes, I am opening the lid. Now the cheese gets melted well. And now sprinkle some spring onions over the cheese and turn off the flame. Our fried chicken buldak